Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the scholarship on how to apply for the Erasmus Mundus fully funded scholarship in Europe. Step-by-step application process will show you. And this is the NOHA Fellowship where you can complete your masters in 8 European countries, and you can apply for this particular opportunity without requiring the IELTS, and the application will end on December 15, 2025. We'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this, how to apply for Erasmus Mundus Scholarship 2026, is given in the video description below. You can check out our video description. Link is given there. Also in the about section of the Instagram, links are also given there, or you can check out our story here, and you can check out the about section of the YouTube. Link is also given there, you can see, and in each of the video description, links also given there, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And once you are on our website, you can check how to apply for this particular Erasmus Mundus Scholarship session 2026-2027 Master Scholarship. It's open to all countries. It's a fully funded opportunity, and the deadline for this is 15th of December. Host is European Union. So here are some brief details. Starting from the France, Netherlands, Germany, Spain, Ireland, Poland, Sweden, and Malta. You can complete master's degree in any of these countries, and you'll be sharing the semesters within these universities from the countries. And this is a postgraduate or master's scholarship. It's eligible to all nationalities, and it's open to all nationalities. Reward, it's a fully funded scholarship. You'll be getting around 1400 euro of stipend per month with travel costs. There is no IELTS required for this particular opportunity. Deadline is 15th of December. So this Erasmus Mundus scholarship, there are almost a lot of scholarships like in Erasmus Mundus joint master degree program. This one is in international humanitarian action. So it's designed for the individuals who are currently working or intend to work in the humanitarian field after completing this degree. So each semester you will spend in a different university in different country. So like this university is in France, you'll spend like few months there or one semester. Second semester you'll start at University of Malta. Likewise, you will go few months in the Netherlands, then this university in Germany, and then you'll go to Spain, then you'll go to Ireland, University College Dublin, and after that you'll spend some months in this Poland university, and then at the end you'll go to the Uppsala University. Also, it might be reshuffled to some of the courses that you apply, and it's not like clearly mentioned which you will start first, but we'll show that in the application form. After that, you can see the process. Here you can see the process requirements, eligibility requirements for this joint master's application. Here you can see you should complete online application. You should have a bachelor's degree to apply for the master's, and a recognized English language instruction that you had previously completed the degree in English language. And if you are from English speaking countries, if you already have completed your education in English language, you don't need to have IELTS or TOEFL. What will be the benefits of this Erasmus Mundus scholarship? Tuition fees, travel costs, visa costs, monthly stipend of 1400 euros per month, installation and substances allowances will be also given. What's the required document? Online application form that you have to fill, a copy of passport, scan copy of your original diploma, scan copy of your academic transcripts, your CV, language proof or proficiency certificate, then 2 reference letters, proof of residence. It is by default the passport, but you have to submit that, and then publications if you have any. How do you apply? Simply scroll down at the end, you can see apply here button. Click on this button here. Once you click on that, you can see Network on Humanitarian Action, International Association of Universities. This is the program Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Degree Program in International Humanitarian Action. And you can see the application for the 2026 to 2028 is a 2-year duration program. Cohort is open. Deadlines December 15th. Erasmus Mundus grant application. And April 1st, 2026 for self-funded applicant. But we will not be paying ourselves, so we'll be going for the Erasmus Mundus grant. So deadline is 15th of December. And you can see program profile, application procedure, every document is given here. But on the right hand side, you can see apply here button is given directly, so that we save the time. Click on this apply here button. And once you click on that, you can see welcome to the joint application system for NOHA plus Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Program in International Humanitarian Action. So 120 credits will be there. So you should complete the application and it should be in English language. And you can scroll down. If you wish to go for your self-funded program, you have to apply through this, but we will go for the Erasmus Mundus Joint Degree Program. So we'll click on this EMJMD scholarship. So click on this link here. Now, first is a requirement. If you already have completed your bachelor's degree before deadline of 15 December, if you are going beyond the December 15, you are yet in the middle of your course, you cannot apply for this. So if you already have completed or you are about to complete by December or by November, this deadline, so you have to select yes here. As I already have completed, so I'll select yes. If you're in the last semester, you can still select yes. Now, enrollment preferences. What's the first choice? You wish to go start with your course. For example, you want to go directly to the Sweden Uppsala University, or you want to go Germany, you want to go Spain, you want to go Ireland. So for example, I'll go with the Ireland University College Dublin. Second choice will be my Uppsala University Sweden. And third choice will be France, the Netherlands. Fifth, give the Germany. Sixth to the Spain. And seventh to the Poland. And eighth to the Malta. So this is by preference. Likewise, you can go through your preference. This is the home university where your degree will be issued, where your all documents you have to submit. So I'll prefer Ireland first. My second choice, the host university, I'll give to the Sweden, and then Ireland, and then I'll just submit all of them one by one. Here. After that, choose a gender, your family name, and your given name. After that, your date of birth. This you have to be very careful while submitting, as there can be issues. Now I have submitted as per the passport. Select the country of birth, place of birth, choose the nationality, and now enter the passport number. Now enter the telephone number and email. So I have entered the email, then residential address, postcode and town, then select the country. Then second is the academic history. Type of qualification for university entrance, high school. So I have general. Country of requirement of qualification for university entrance. So mine is India. And the date of requirement, you have completed your bachelor's. So I'll select the date here. Then second rank, this is the high school. I have to change the date here. High school. And then bachelor's. name of the first college or university that where I have completed my bachelor. This was the high school information. This is the university information. And country, then semester, uh, starting semester of first college, and have you ever studied in Germany? So we have not. Then academic data. So I'll mention the academic data here. My bachelor's degree, starting and final, date of the final exam, and final mark 4 point CGPA. You can add another university, but have you carried out a master's program or PhD previously? No. Any publications? I will select no. In research experience, you can select no, and employment history, nil. None. I do not have any. Then language, mother tongue. Mention English here. Language of instruction of your university. You have to mention English here. Then other language, if you have, you can mention that. Now references. Full name of the referee, institution of the referee, position of the referee, and telephone number. And then the email. After that, work or academic related referee, position, title, institution, telephone number, and then email. You have to mention from the referee you have got. Then motivation statement. So why do you wish to go for this program? You have to submit all the answers here. After that, special circumstances. Please indicate any physical or learning disabilities. We have none. Now abstract, including information on name, age, nationality, degree, motivation, experience. Why do you want to go for this program? Mention all the information here. Then, how did you come to know about this NOHA program? You can say website, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or other. In other, you can mention our website here or our YouTube. So just copy this and paste it here. Now is the important compulsory attachments. First is the proof of nationality, that is the international passport. So let me quickly upload the passport here. And after that, we'll submit. I'll just submit the diploma. After that, copies of transcripts of this. Then MA, if you have MA transcripts, but we do not have master, so you have just Europass format. If you do not know how to make one Europass, we can show you one separately. It's a Europass website where you have to complete your all details. Then it will generate a PDF that's in the Europass. Then official proof of language, wherever applicable. This is not mandatory, but if you have English proficiency certificate, you will submit that. Then recommendation letter 1 from the education sphere. And then second recommendation letter. And after that, proof of residence. You can submit your national ID. And then other documents, if you have, you can submit them. Then you have to agree to terms and conditions here. And now you can cross check once all details, that if you are missing anything, you have left any tab blank, you can submit them and then submit this application. So I have almost submitted all the sections. Click on apply. Sending, please wait. So you can see, thank you for applying to NOHA plus Erasmus Joint Master's Degree Program in International Human Interaction. Your application now will be reviewed by the consortium and you will receive admission or rejection decision in line with the timeline provided on the NOHA Master's website page. Here you can see Master's website page will show that. And we have also received an email. Criteria and the deadlines will be there. So 15th December is for scholarship, and July 2026 you'll be receiving, selected or non-selected, you'll receive an official notification. Then other programs, other collaborations from Erasmus Mundus, if you want to go for, you can apply. But this is the process for applying to the Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters Program on Humanitarian Action. This program, likewise, there are other scholarships of Erasmus where we have already published some of them. Like this one is Erasmus Mundus scholarship. Similarly, there is other Erasmus Mundus scholarship in this. You can see that other Global Mind scholarship Erasmus Mundus is there. So we have almost multiple scholarships from, you can see, global Erasmus Mundus scholarship is also there. Erasmus Mundus Mesopom scholarship is also there. Same process is there for every scholarship, just website interface will be different. You have to follow them and apply. We have shown you step-by-step process in this Erasmus Mundus scholarship here. Again, I am reminding you that the link for this step-by-step application process is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions or in the about section of the YouTube, or you can directly visit our website. Here you can see fullscholarships.net, or directly search on Google fullscholarships.net. Remember that you should find this type of logo there or this type of theme. And if you find this type of page, it is definitely our website and you should check it out. Or on our YouTube channel, do subscribe so that you can check out the link in the video description below. You don't have to find it elsewhere. You can directly click on the links there, or you can directly ask us on Instagram. You can see our username, and our team is definitely there to reply you in 24 hours. Our team is there. Our support assistant is there 24 hours throughout a week, and 24/7 assistance is there, absolutely free of cost. And the easiest way to reach us is our website fullscholarships.net. Our mission is higher education and bringing one scholarship every day on your screen. Please support us in this mission so that we can spread the word about higher education, and that too, the scholarships that get lapsed every year, we want you to utilize them, get the funding and achieve your dreams. In this dream, join us and share this video with your friends, with your family members. Like this video so that we get encouraged and bring more opportunities to you. And in the comment section, mention which scholarship do you wish to apply, and we will make one video for you. I am signing off for today. Please visit our website fullscholarships.net and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep watching, keep subscribing. Have a nice day ahead.